Good morning, all of you. Integration is inverse process of differentiation. These are very important formulas in differentiation and integration also. We already discussed these formulas in differentiation. D by dx of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 equal to x to the power of n. In integration, integral, the symbol is elongated s into x to the power of n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. In differentiation, d by dx of x equal to 1. Here integral 1 dx equal to x plus c. In differentiation, d by dx of log x equal to 1 by x. In integration, integral 1 by x into dx equal to log x plus c. You should write formulas in separate notes. And d by dx of e power x equal to e power x, and integral e power x dx equal to e power x plus c, and d by dx of a power x by log a equal to a power x. In integration, integral a power x dx equal to a power x log a plus c, and derivative of sin x equal to cos x. The derivative of cos x dx, integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c, and d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x, and integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c, and d by dx of tan x equal to secant square x, and integral secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c, and d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosec square x, and d by integral cosec square x into dx equal to minus cot x plus c, and d by dx of sec x equal to sec x into tan x, and integral sec x into tan x equal to sec x into tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. D by dx of cosec x equal to minus cosec x cot x, and integral cosec x cot x dx equal to minus cosec x plus c. D by dx of sin inverse x equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, and integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x plus c, or minus cos inverse x plus c, minus cos inverse x plus c, and d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, and integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x, or minus cot inverse x plus c, and d by dx of sec inverse x equal to 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1, integral 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx equal to sec inverse x plus c, or minus cosec inverse x plus c. d by dx of sin hx equal to cos hx, and integral cos hx dx equal to sin hx plus c, and d by dx of cos hx equal to sin hx, and integral sin hx equal to cos hx plus c, and d by dx of tan hx equal to secant square hx, and integral secant square hx dx equal to tan hx plus c, and d by dx of cot hx equal to cosec h square x, and integral cosec h square x dx equal to minus cot hx plus c, and d by dx of sec hx equal to minus sec hx tan hx, and integral tan hx sec hx dx equal to minus sec hx plus c, and d by dx of cosec hx equal to minus cosec hx cot hx. Here integral cosec hx cot hx dx equal to minus cosec hx. Properties of indefinite integrals. Here property number 1, integral f of x plus or minus g of x into dx equal to, here we have two terms, applying integration both terms, that equal to integral f of x into dx plus or minus integral g of x into dx. Example, 2 into x plus y equal to, we multiply 2 in both terms, that equal to 2x plus 2y, or d by dx of sin x plus cos x. Here we apply the derivative in both two terms, that is d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of cos x. And second property, integral k into f of x dx. Here where k is a real number or constant term. Here k is a constant, take in front of the integration k into integral f of x dx. Let us solve one example. Evaluate integral cos x minus sin x into dx. Therefore, integral cos x minus sin x into dx. Here using the property of indefinite integrals, that is, here we have two terms, here applying integration two terms, that is integral cos x dx minus integral sin x dx. Here we have the two formulas, integral cos x into dx equal to sin x plus c, integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Substitute these formulas, we get integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c, and integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Minus into minus plus sin x plus cos x. Here c is the constant term, here c is also constant term. We can write only one common term, that is c. c1 c2 c1 c2. We can write only one common term, that is c. For example, here c equal to 5, here c1 equal to 5 and c2 equal to 7, that is c1 plus c2 equal to 12. It is also constant term.